Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can listen to Spotify music or podcasts or whatever with other people, with your friends, or with pretty much whoever you choose. So let's get right into it. Now, to do this, you will need to make a listening party on Spotify, and I'll be going over this article on Lifewire to explain how. Now, firstly, you just need to open Spotify on your phone or tablet. You can even do this on PC, I'm pretty sure. Then you need to select a song or podcast episode. Then you need to tap the connect icon in the bottom left of your screen, which looks sort of like this, like a computer monitor with a speaker next to it. And once you're there, you will be able to connect devices to it. You just need to scroll down past your streamable devices and select start session under the start a group session option. Then you need to click invite friends and select your preferred invite method. It can either be a link, which you can copy, you can send it through text or other messaging applications. Then you just need to play the music and everybody will be able to hear it. And to end the group session, you just click the left facing arrow to return to the connect screen, and then you just click end session, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.